Hello, everyone, and welcome to Leo and Anna English. Leo, what did you do yesterday?
Honestly, almost nothing.
Come on, something must have happened.
Okay. Yesterday I woke up late. I made coffee. I spilled it everywhere.
Oh no, on the floor?
On the floor, on my shirt, everywhere.
Oh, that's a real story.
See, yesterday is a magic word.
Wait, what do you mean magic?
When you say yesterday, English changes. The verbs change. That's the past simple.
Ah, so make becomes made.
Exactly. And spill becomes spilled.
Okay, so this is our lesson today, how to tell stories about yesterday.
Right, and it's easier than you think.
I hope so. Past tense scares me.
Don't worry, we'll go slow and easy.
So, Leo, teach me the basic rule.
Sure, most verbs just add ed. Walk becomes walked, cook becomes cooked.
Oh, that's simple. I like simple.
Yesterday, I walked to the park. I cooked dinner. I watched a movie.
So you add ed to the end.
For most verbs, yes, very easy.
Wait, can you say that again slowly?
Sure, walk today, walked yesterday. Play today, played yesterday.
Play, played. Walk, walked. Got it.
You just add those two letters, ed.
What about start? Is it started?
Yes, start becomes started.
And want becomes wanted.
Perfect, you're finding the pattern.
It's like a little machine. Take the verb, add ed, done.
A grammar machine, I like that idea.
For the easy verbs, at least.
True, the hard ones come next.
Okay, I'm ready. Bring 'em on. But wait, some verbs feel different.
You're right, some verbs are special. We call them irregular verbs.
Irregular. That word sounds scary.
It's not scary, I promise. It just means they don't add ed.
So how do they change?
They change in their own way. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate.
Go to went? They look so different.
I know, you just have to remember them.
Can you give me more?
Sure, see becomes saw. Buy becomes bought. Come becomes came.
Okay, let me try one. Yesterday I seed my friend?
Nice try, but it's saw.
Ah, I saw my friend, right.
Yes, you're learning fast.
Honestly, I make this mistake a lot.
Everyone does. It's very normal.
Last week, I told a funny story, but I used all the wrong verbs.
Oh, tell me what happened.
I said, yesterday I goed to the store.
Goad, a classic mistake.
My friend just smiled and said nothing.
Well, now you know. It's went.
Yesterday I went to the store. Better.
Much better. See? You fixed it yourself.
I felt a little silly, though.
Hey, don't. That's how we learn. I made the same mistake for years.
Wait, really? You?
Oh yeah, I once said I eated pizza.
I eated pizza. That's cute.
My teacher laughed so hard that day.
So even you were a beginner once.
Of course, we all start somewhere.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. Mistakes are just part of the road.
So here's a quick tip for everyone. Learn the common irregular verbs first.
That's smart advice. Which ones?
Go, eat, see, come, buy, make.
And have becomes had. Don't forget that.
Right. Yesterday I had a headache.
From telling wrong stories?
Exactly. Grammar can be a real pain.
Hey, a real pain. Nice phrase. It means something is annoying or hard.
Yeah, like a small problem that bothers you.
Try using it today, everyone.
You know what? Let me try a story. A real one from last Monday.
Yes, go for it. I'm listening.
Okay, last Monday I woke up early. I felt happy. The sun was bright.
Nice start. Then what?
I made breakfast. I ate 2 eggs. Then I left the house for work.
And I feel a butt coming.
You know me too well. I forgot my keys inside the house.
Oh no, locked out?
Locked out. I waited 2 hours.
2 hours on a Monday. Ouch.
But listen to my verbs, Leo. Woke, felt, made, ate, left, forgot.
Wow, all irregular? That's a lot.
I know, English tricked me again.
But you used them all correctly.
Really? I did?
Yes, woke, not waked, forgot, not forgotten.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
That's practice working. It's in your brain now.
That feels good, actually.
See, stories help more than lists.
Okay, so now we know two types, regular verbs and irregular verbs.
Simple, just two groups to remember.
One adds ed, one changes shape.
You've got it. Now let's practice more. So, Anna, let's make a real story. A short one, all in the past.
Ooh, I love this. You start.
Okay. Last Sunday, I visited my grandma.
Aw, what did you two do?
We cooked lunch together. She taught me a soup.
That sounds lovely. Did you eat it all?
Every drop. It was delicious.
See how natural that sounds? Visited, cooked, taught, ate, all past.
And listeners, did you notice something? Taught is irregular. Teach becomes taught.
Oh, sneaky one. I like it.
There are many like that. Don't panic.
Now your turn, Anna. Tell me a story.
Wait, I'm Leo.
Sorry. Okay, my turn. Last night, I watched an old movie. I cried at the end. It was so sad.
You cried? Really?
Yeah, but then my cat sat on my face.
Your cat has bad timing.
The worst. I laughed and cried together.
Cried and laughed, both regular, both ED.
Right. I didn't even think about it.
That's the goal. You just tell the story.
And the grammar takes care of itself.
Exactly. Practice makes it automatic.
Let me ask you something, Leo. What about questions in the past?
Ah, good question. We use did. Did you eat? Did you go?
Oh, and the verb stays normal after did.
Yes, that's the trick people forget. We say, did you go, not did you went.
Wait, so did already shows the past.
Exactly. So the main verb relaxes.
I always got that wrong.
Most learners do. It's very common.
Did you eat breakfast today? Like that?
Perfect. You just made a past question.
Look at me go.
And for no, we use didn't. I didn't sleep well last night.
Not I didn't slept, right?
Right. Same rule. The verb relaxes.
Okay, that's actually a big help.
Let me tell you one more story.
Please do. I love your stories.
Last Friday, I tried to cook fish.
Ooh, fancy. How did it go?
Well, I burned it completely.
Oh, Leo, no.
The whole kitchen smelled terrible.
So what did you do then?
I opened every window. I ordered pizza.
A happy ending then.
My cooking flopped, but dinner was saved.
Wait, flopped. What does that mean?
Flopped means it failed completely, like a plan that goes totally wrong.
Ah, so your fish flopped.
Exactly. It flopped hard.
I'll remember that one. Good word.
And notice burned, opened, ordered.
All regular, all ed. Nice and easy.
But tried is a little different.
Oh, right. The Y changes to I.
Yes, try becomes tried.
Same with cry, cried.
Good catch. You're really getting this.
I'm learning from your kitchen disasters.
Hey, that reminds me of a good line.
Ooh, share it.
You don't learn grammar by studying it. You learn it by using it.
That's true. I really like that.
So don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. I make them every single day.
We both do, trust me.
By the way, This is a fun moment. If you enjoy these little lessons, hit like and follow Leo and Anna English.
Yeah, it really helps us a lot.
We read every comment, you know.
So tell us your yesterday story below.
We'd really love to read them.
Okay, listeners, here's a little challenge.
Think about your day yesterday.
Just one small thing you did.
Maybe you ate something nice?
Maybe you saw a friend.
Now say it out loud in the past. Yesterday, and finish the sentence.
Take your time. There's no rush.
And if you get it wrong, that's okay.
You can always try again.
That's how every learner gets better.
Okay, let's do a quick review.
Good idea. Rule number 1.
Most verbs add ed for the past. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Easy.
Rule number 2.
Some verbs are irregular. They change shape. Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw.
And rule number 3.
For questions and no, we use did, and the main verb stays normal. Nice.
You learn those with practice.
A little bit every day.
That's how stories become natural.
So next time someone asks about your day,
You can tell them a real story.
in English with the past simple.
And that's a great feeling.
It really is. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing. Keep telling your stories.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.